What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This is one of my winter sowing jugs. It had leeks in it. The American flag leek. So I'm going to actually plant that out today. So typical spacing for your leeks is around 6 to 8 inches. But I'm going to pack these guys in pretty good. Maybe kind of stagger, plant them. I got a little toolkit for Christmas, so I'm going to use that to help poke the holes for the leeks to get planted. What I'm doing is kind of drilling a big hole down and pretty deep. The deeper you plant the leek, the more weight you end up getting for it. So you can see this has been ready to go for a little while. So with the leek, the deeper you plant it, the more weight you'll end up getting, which is what you're shooting for the leek. So what I'm trying to do is get the roots down too, and then just backfill the hole. They have a great smell. With poking this into the ground, worm just poked its head up out of the bed. Okay, I'll bring you back after I get these guys all planted out. So I got the American flag leeks planted out here. I'm going to add a little mulch layer with the straw that I still have, and then water it all in. So the winter sowing method's pretty cool. I just put a whole bunch of seeds in the milk jug, and as you can see, there's still a ton of leeks. So I'm just going to start planting them around the garden in different areas now. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.